Today I am going to share Eid special Chapli kebab recipe. Simple and easy, delicious kebab. Anyone can make it. Beef keema 500 grams. Chopped onion, a half cup. Chopped tomato, a half cup. Shredded green bell pepper, 3 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon. Ajwain seeds powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, a half teaspoon. Garam masala powder, a half teaspoon. Chapli kebab masala, 1 teaspoon. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Mix well. Roasted garam flour, a half cup. Egg 1. Mix together. Done. Rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Oil for fry. Spread the oil over the hand. Take amount of meat mixture. Make a kebab shape. Fry until well done. Flip. Done. Shake excess. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.